This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take out a clock mechanism. Whether you're performing maintenance, replacing a faulty part, or simply curious, this guide will walk you through each step. We'll start by understanding the basic components of your clock and then move on to gathering the right tools. My goal is to make this process clear and straightforward, ensuring you feel confident and prepared for the task ahead. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to have all your tools ready. You'll typically need a set of small screwdrivers, perhaps some needle nose pliers, and a soft cloth to protect your workspace and clock parts. The first physical step is to gently remove the clock's hands. Pay close attention to their order and position. Next, carefully open the clock case, which often involves unscrewing a few small screws or releasing a couple of clips on the back. Take your time with this part. Now, let's focus on detaching the mechanism itself. Look for the small screws or clips that hold the mechanism in place, usually on the back of the clock face or within the case. Using the correct screwdriver, gently unscrew these fasteners. Be very careful not to over-tighten or strip them. Once all fasteners are removed, slowly and carefully pull the entire mechanism away. Make sure no wires, if present, or other delicate components get caught or damaged during this process. Patience is key here. With the mechanism successfully removed, take a moment to inspect it for any signs of wear, damage, or accumulated dust. If you're not immediately reassembling, store all parts, including the mechanism, hands, and screws, in a secure, labeled container to prevent loss. Remember, putting everything back together is essentially the reverse of what we just did. Ensure all components are correctly aligned and secured. This careful approach will help maintain your clock's integrity for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.